Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best metal detectors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Bounty Hunter Metal Detector. The stylish gold digger metal detector will detect all kinds of metal from iron relics, coins, and household items to precious metals like silver and gold. The Streamlined in appearance has with only 2 operating controls and a mode selection switch. The Tracker 4 has eliminated the most difficult aspect of metal detector operation. This rugged metal detector ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. The preset ground balance neutralizes response to mineral content in the ground. At number 6 we have Bounty Hunter Metal Detector. The stylish gold digger metal detector will detect all kinds of metal from iron relics, coins. It is constructed of high-quality aluminum tubing and high-impact ABS plastic, and has an excellent reputation for ruggedness and durability in the field. For more privacy when treasure seeking, the gold digger comes complete with headphones and 1/8 headphone jack for immediate use. The gold digger metal detector is adjustable for use by kids and adults. At number 5 we have Hami Metal Detector. The 10-inch metal detector has with IP68 waterproof surge coil. It has a high sensitivity at detecting depth of up to 8 inches deep for small coins and metal objects, larger objects up to 3 feet. The waterproof search coil enables you to use detecting to underwater, and perfect for outdoor like beach, stream and yard. Hami Metal Detector Kit has 3 distinct modes that make you can optimize from in detecting metals. Usually is used beach metal detectors for adults and kids, which equipped with a large backlit LCD screen to display different detecting depth discrimination operating mode. At number 4 we have Sakob's Metal Detector. It is obviously more accurate and convenient that you can see the detection mode. Also sensitivity level, battery condition and volume level. Even in the nighttime or dark light area, you can get information intuitively from the LCD screen, and it can detect metals up to 8.7 inch depth. Sakob's Metal Detector from 41.3 inch to 47.6 inch adjustable stem and suitable for both adults and kids. It is equipped with headphone jack. You can enjoy your detection even in very noisy environment. At number 3 we have Dr. Metal Detector. The large LCD display has a big clear 3 inches x 2.2 inch screen that is easy to read, and the backlight lets you work in the dark for a great deal more flexibility. The 3 display modes to easily identify the type of metals you are detecting. Also displays digital image and sound with multiple settings for customization. This waterproof metal detector can find larger objects at even greater depths. The coil is IP68 waterproof and works well in shallow water. You can adjust the depth indication for objects 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches with plus or minus. You can easily fine-tune for objects and conditions with the 5-grade sensitivity control. At number 2 we have Panky Metal Detector. The screen of Park 0075 is equipped with LED backlight. You can turn on/off the backlight according to your needs. It will be very convenient for you to use the Park 0075 metal detector in the dark. This Panky IP68 waterproof metal detector enables you works well in shallow water. It is perfect for beach, stream and rainy day, which means that you can freely dive with it and find treasures hidden from the eyes of the majority. This metal detectors can be easily cleaned and safe. This large color LCD display allows you to get the detection dynamics at any time. It's convenient for you to get the type of metal, target depth recognition, sensitivity level, operating mode and battery indication. At number 1 we have Bounty Hunter Metal Detector. The Bounty Hunter Quicksilver Hobby Metal Detector with pinpointer is equipped with a preset ground balance, which neutralizes the response to mineral content in the ground. It comes with a squelch tech. This detector eliminates false signals, saving most of your time. The pinpointer helps in finding the exact location of buried metal objects. The LCD display also gives you a clear view of the varying distances. It comes with the push-button discrimination and one-touch depth control. This LCD metal detector is very easy to use. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best metal detectors for your need.